Hi everyone. The first lesson is about German alphabets. In English there are 26 alphabets, but in German there are 4 more. Yes, indeed, 30 alphabets. So here is an overview of the 30 German alphabets. I will cover the first 6 German alphabets today from A to F. So you can see the first 6 German alphabets in this picture. In English we have A, B, C, D, E and F. But in German we have A, B, C, D, E and F. Now let's go into the details. In German, the A is pronounced with an open mouth, just as if you were screaming Ah. The German B has a slightly heavier sound than the softer English B sound. C in German is a bit tricky because it can have two pronunciations. One sound of C is made by putting together your teeth and at the same time getting the sound of T and S out of the mouth. Ts. The other sound Ka also exists, but I will explain it a bit later with some examples. The German D is slightly heavier in sound than the softer English D sound. A in German sounds like the A of English. The F in German is pronounced as F, which is exactly the English sound of F. So moving on, let's look at these 6 alphabets with words in English and German. So starting with the A of German, the A of German can be heard in English words like ask or aunt, and in a German word like alle. The B of German can be heard in an English word such as bus, and in German, bus is interestingly written as in English but pronounced as bus, as you can see here. The C sound can be heard in English words like see or snake. The C sound in German words comes when C is followed by E and I, as in the words Celsius here and circa. The Ka sound of German C alphabet can be heard in an English word like cat. Ka can be heard in German words when C is followed by A, O and U, as in the words Kaffee, Code and Kuba. Day in an English and a German word will sound alike. For example, dog in English and da in German. The German A sound comes in an English word like age and in a German word Eltern. And as I already mentioned previously, the German A just sounds like the English alphabet A. Lastly, the German F in an English and a German word will sound alike. For example, the word fast exists in both English and German, interestingly. But in German, fast has a totally different meaning to the English version. Fast in German means almost. Isn't that interesting? So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you.